Now I'm going to move on to most important, eyes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then you'll take it from there, meaning I will ask for this. So I recently got this palette from MAC, and I got it on sale, which is why I actually bought it. It's got some pretty amazing colors. So there's all different colors, and because it's a day function, I'm going to wear pastel. Obviously, matlab day, night, I love my pastels. So I'm just going to go in very easy and light with pastel makeup. So now I'm going to start with, like, I'm going to always start with a base. Actually, I'll try and do that tick thing. But regardless, this is the kind of color I'm going to sort of prime my lid with. Also, this palette is very pigmented. It looks very like light, but they are pretty pigmented, which is why I actually love it as well. So I've just primed my lid. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is go in and take a color like a darker pinky color. I'm going to swatch it on my hand, or you'll see it once I apply it. It's like this dark pink, but it's got a bit of shimmer. And I'm going to go all over my lid, especially opening my eye and putting it in the crease of my eye. Why? Because I have lid space, so I can play with that. Similarly here. And again, the lid space. You know what I mean by the lid space. That's what's going to give the eye a swept up look. See? Okay, now all I'm going to do is, first and foremost, I'm going to take a flat brush and put something like this, which is a shimmer, just like a basic shimmer, and put it in the corner of my eye. And the same thing I'm going to put on the top of my brow, just so it gives a nice highlight to my brow bone. Beauty. And then this brush, now I've spoken about before, it's a color bar brush. I do love it. I've not even cleaned it, but it's okay because I'm going to go in with brown. I'm going to go in with a light brown, or like a dark light brown, this wala, and I'm mixing it with a bit of orangey brown as well. I'm just going to I always use my fingers to blend because I really think I can blend. So I start from the corner and then go up and then just stretch it and then blend. The key to eyeshadow is blending. If you don't blend it, it's going to look horrible. So as you can see, there's a bit more product on this side than that side. Nothing to worry about. I'll see which one looks better and then either remove it from one side or add to the other. So I actually think this one does look better, which is why I'll just add a teeny bit, like a teeny, and remove most of the product as well. Okay. Now my shadow is done. I'm just going to extend it all the way so it doesn't look cut off. Okay, and then lastly what I will do is, just to give the pop of color, especially when you're talking, eating or whatever, you know, your eyes shut a little bit. And so what I do is, I'm going to take a color like that and I'm just going to sweep it across where my eyeball sits. That's where I'm going to put this. See what I mean? Like when I shut it. Actually, they have given names. So this one now, this eyeball sweep wala is Glamageddon. I'll actually try and tag the names. Okay. Because it's a day function, I am not going to wear too much on the niche of my eye, but I will use that same pink one which I used on the top under my eyelid. Under my eyelid, nahi. and the bottom like the lash line, niche ka lash line. Okay, and then if I can find my kajal, I always start my kajal doing my, shut your eyes, okay, if this grosses you out, my upper waterline, and then I'm just gonna go into my lower waterline. Oh shit. Amazing. Now, we don't need too much of eyeliner, but I'm just going to create a, eyes are watering, so I'm just going to use a little bit. Buzz. Okay, so this eye has started to water, which is no big deal. I'm just going to wait it out and let it water away and then complete my. So this one was watering away, so I just let it rest for a bit, and then no problem if it smudges and all, you can take care of it with your finger. So there. Okay, I realized my eyes started watering because I'm putting this on camera. Too much pressure here, bapre. Just a thin one. I'll do the other one later. I'm too scared.